Hello Daniel, it's Fernando from Brazil. I will try to show you the issue with the tank, okay? Here is the mainboard version. Here is the radio. Well, the tank is already turned on. I try to make some sound here. I will shoot with the gun here. I push the G button here. Almost you can hear the sound very low. It's the only the unique problem here. Everything works. The smokes works. Canon works, but there's no sound. See, no sound. We can shoot with PB, which works fine. The turret moves. Everything works here. Ups and down, works fine. Everything works, but the only problem is the sound.